Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to the quickest, the sharpest, the easiest simple subject. Welcome to mathematics. Friends, in this video, we are going to solve question number 7 of practice set 4.1. Name of the lesson is altitudes and medians. So, let's go. Before solving the question, let's try to understand one property of centroid. I hope all of you know what is meant by centroid. A centroid is a line segment joining a vertex and midpoint to its opposite side. Means, if in a triangle, this is consider this ABC is a triangle, okay, and from vertex A, if I will draw a line segment on its opposite side, which is BC, if I will draw one segment from A to its opposite side BC, but that segment should connect the midpoint of the BC. If this is the midpoint, say P, then AP is called as median, right? Similarly, if I will draw a median from C on AB, so what it should be? It should be a line segment from C connecting the midpoint of AB. Suppose this is point Q, which is the middle point of AB. So CQ is median, AP is also median, and if I will connect the midpoint of AC from vertex B, because AC is opposite side of vertex B, or vertex B is opposite vertex of side AC, then BR is a median. And what is meant by centroid? Centroid is nothing but the point of concurrence of all medians of a triangle. Okay? Centroid is nothing but point of concurrence of all medians in a triangle. Okay? Now we are going to see its one very interesting property. The property is this centroid divides every median in the ratio of 1:2. Centroid divides every median in the ratio of 1:2. Means centroid G will divide this median into two parts. It has divided this median into two parts. First part is AG, second part is GP, and their ratio is 1:2. Means if GP is 1 unit, which is looking smaller, then AG will be 2 units. Okay? Similarly, centroid G, it has divided median CQ in two parts, and it has divided it in the ratio of 1:2. Means if QG is equals to 4 units, then GC will be 1:2, twice of QG, that is 8 units. Clear, friends? So this is a rule. The rule is centroid divides every median in the ratio of 1:2. See, centroid G divides the median BR in two parts. One is part GR and the another one is part BG. But it has divided those two parts in the ratio of 1:2. Means if GR is equals to X units, then BG will be equals to twice of the X, 2X units. Clear? How we can write this ratio? We learned in last standards how to write ratio and proportion. So we will write this ratio as AG upon GP is equals to 1/2. Means AG is to GP is equals to 1/2. This is the ratio. QG upon GC is equals to 1:2. GR upon BG is equals to 1/2. So this is the property. This property we are going to use to solve the question number 7 of practice set 4.1. So let us see the question. What is the question? Question is point G is centroid of triangle ABC. ABC is a triangle. Point G is centroid of triangle ABC. What is meant by centroid? Centroid is point of concurrence of all medians. Means CR, BQ and AP. These are medians. G is their centroid. So it is dividing all these medians in the ratio of 1:2. Means GP upon AG is equals to 1/2. GQ upon BG is equals to 1/2. RG upon GC is equals to 1 upon 2. So point G is center of triangle ABC. Length of RG is equals to 2.5. Then length of GC is equals to what? Okay. So let's write. Friends, what do we know about this centroid? We know that it divides the median into the ratio of 1:2. So RG, where is RG? RG is this one. RG is the smaller part. What is the length of RG? 2.5. So what will be the length of GC? GC is bigger than RG. So GC will be twice of RG, which is equals to 5 units. Which will be equals to 5 units. BG is equals to 6. BG. Then BQ is equals to what? BQ is equals to what? So for that we need to find out the GQ. BG is equals to 6. So GQ will be equals to 3 and BQ will be equals to 6 plus 3, 9 units. Got it, friends? AP is equals to 6. This total AP is equals to 6. Then find AG and GP. Okay, friends, we written the answers directly. Let us see how to write, how to solve these answers in mathematics by writing mathematical steps. RG upon GC, RG upon GC is equals to 1 upon 2, right? Let's replace the values. What is the value of RG? RG is equals to 2.5. Therefore, 2.5 upon GC is equals to 1 upon 2. As it is a ratio, its cross multiplication is equal. Means GC multiplied by 1, which is equals to GC into 1 will be equals to 2 into 2.5. Therefore, GC into 1 is nothing but GC and 2 into 2.5 is equals to 5. Therefore, GC is equals to 5 centimeter. Clear? Let us write next answer. BG is equals to 6. BG, then what is BQ? For that we need to find out GQ. So let's find GQ upon BG is equals to 1 upon 2. Let's replace the values. Value of GQ is not given, so we'll write it as it is GQ. Value of BG is equals to 6, which is equals to 1 upon 2. Cross multiplication is equal, therefore 2GQ is equals to 1 into 6. Therefore 2GQ is equal to 6, right? Therefore GQ is equals to 6 upon 2. Therefore GQ is equals to 3. Okay, friends, we found GQ. Now what we have to find? We have to find BQ as it is asked in the question. BQ is equals to BG plus GQ. BQ is equals to BG plus GQ. Why? Because these are collinear points. BGQ, they are collinear. And what is the value of BG? BG is 6, GQ is 3. Therefore BQ is equals to 9. Okay, friends. Now AP is given and we have to find out AG as well as GP. What we have to do? Once again we will use the same logic, but I think I have to use this space. Value of AP is given and AG and GP. We don't know the answer of AG and GP. So what to do? Friends, we can consider any one value as x. So if we will consider GP is equal to x, AG will be equals to 2x. If we will consider AG is equals to x, GP will be equals to x upon 2. So let's consider GP is equals to x. So suppose GP is equal to x, then AG will be equals to, therefore AG will be equals to 2x. Clear? And AP is equals to AG plus GP. And AP is equals to AG plus GP. Clear? This AG is formed with, AP is formed with AG plus GP. Total AP. How AP is formed? AG, you drawn from A to G. such part. After that, if you will draw another from G to P, so this total will form AP, right? So these three are collinear points, therefore AP is equals to AG plus GP. Now let's replace the values in the equation. AP is equal to 6, AG we have considered as 2x and GP is equals to x. X plus x, x plus 2x, 3x. Therefore 3x is equal to 6. Therefore x is equal to 2. X is equals to 2 means GP is equals to 2. So let's write here 2. Where is GP? GP is here. GP is equals to 2. Therefore 2x is equals to 2 into 2 and 2x is equals to 4. Friends, we know we have considered x means GP. So GP is equals to 2 and 2x means AG. So AG is equals to 4. So let's write 4 at the place of AG. Clear, friends?